whispers in love. The toys are awake.
Welcome to Poppy Playtime 5 Fashion Show today.
Rumi. Lily Lovebraids.
La 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 la. A brand new day. Are you ready, my toy friends?
Wow!
Lily with her lovely braids so bright, stepping out of the factory into the light. Time to dress up and walk down the hall. Today is the day of the fashion ball. Trading my blue dress for something brand new. Come on, everyone, let me show you. Trying on ribbons, shining in the sun, leaving behind the dark, having so much fun. Pretty new shoes and a dress made of lace. A beautiful smile on everyone's face. Lily Lovebraids dancing in the light, touring around in a dress shining bright, bringing sweet treats and a cute little bow. Ready to star in the big fashion show. Call up Hoggy and the prototype too. Look at my outfit, it's totally new. Prototype wearing a fancy top hat. Kissy is posing, just look at that. So many colors washing away the gloom. We're playing dress up inside of our room. No need to fight or hide in the dark. Just stylish clothes and a bright little spark. Lily Lovebraids dancing in the light, twirling around in a dress shining bright, bringing sweet treats and a cute little bow. Ready to star in the big fashion show. Call out Hoggy and the prototype too. Look at my outfit, it's totally new. 1, 2, 3, let's strike a cool pose. Happy hearts from our heads to our toes. Our toy world is colorful and grand. The best dressed friends in all of the land. Wait, 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 bye bye. Slow. A music box
Gino.
playing. Tick-tock. The
Prototype.
factory is sleeping, but Gino is awake. Sudden rain. Shadows dancing on the painted wall. Hear the echoes when the lost toys call. Deep inside the dark, I find the way. Where the broken pieces hide and play. I touch the cold steel, it starts to glow. A secret path that only I can know. Gears are turning, clicking into place. A metal hand, a brand new face. The wires connect, the spark is bright. I'm stepping out into the night. Oh, I am Gino, the new design. The prototype in chapter 5. The power is mine. No hurt, no fear, just a magical machine. The greatest mystery you have ever seen. Watch the glowing eyes, feel the spooky chill. The factory is mine to build. Mine to build, yeah. Footsteps echoing down the lonely hall. Huggy and Kissy, I can't hear them all. They stand in the shadows watching me rise. Underneath the painted starry skies, we don't need to hide, we just need to play. A brand new chapter starts here today. Gears are turning, clicking into place. A metal hand, a brand new face. The wires connect, the spark is bright. I'm stepping out into the night. Oh, I am Gino, the new design. The prototype in chapter 5. The power is mine. No hurt, no fear, just a magical machine. The greatest mystery you have ever seen. A
Puppy.
Dusty shelves and broken trains, porcelain replacing veins, walking down the spiral stair.
Yes.
Tying ribbons in my hair, found a dress of perfect red. Waking up from the toy bed, I paint my smile, the magic flows. It's time to start the secret show. Tie the bow, lace it tight. Plastic eyes are shining bright. A tiny heartbeat starts to drum. Look at what I have become. I am Myria, but I'm something new. The perfect puppy is coming through. Welcome to chapter 5, where the shadows play. I'm the queen of the dolls, and I'm here to stay. Got a painted face and a brilliant mind, leaving the old playtime behind. Jump to the left, twirl to the right. We are dancing in the dark tonight. Vintage words and a gentle voice, making all the toys rejoice. Huggy and Kissy wave hello. Watch my curly red. 1, 2, 3, Playtime!
Elsa. Kissy Missy?
Right out of a sparkly sweet dream. I'm Kissy Missy with my pink fluff gleaming. These long arms are made to hold you so tight. A big bright smile to make everything right.